Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bedsure heated blanket and on the controller you're getting a blinking red light and you're wondering what this is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So if you're getting a blinking red light on the heated blanket controller, this is indicating that there's a problem with the thermostat, that it's unable to detect a proper temperature. So what you want to do to get rid of this is, first of all, you want to turn it off. And then you want to unplug it from the wall, and then you want to check and make sure that all the wiring is working right. So look at all the wiring going into the controller, out of the controller, into the blanket, out of the blanket, and make sure that there's no damaged wires that could be sending a poor signal to the controller. And if you've done that and then you plug it in and it still is doing it, what you might want to do at that point is actually just replace the controller. Because it can be an actually faulty controller that's causing this red light blinking. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.